I use my car. There's only little minor changes, bear in mind. Got B today. I also got one on the back window. I've also got wrap in there. I don't know if you can see it in or not in there. That's what I'll be using to put the wrap on the hood. If it won't be enough, I'll be screwed. But I think it should be. It'll be fine. I'll get back to you when I'm finished. First of all, we need to pop the hood. Oh, it smells lovely in here. It got out yesterday. Oh, Link's gold, lovely. Okay, guys, I've done one bit of the carbon fibre bit. Don't feel it's any good. It's for a start. It's in my eye, god damn it. Got this. Gonna get a hair drying. Loosen up all the cracks, get all rid of these bits. Yeah, personally I think it looks quite nice. That's just in my opinion, but everyone is to her own. Thank you for watching, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe. I decided to paint up the trims early. This is what it looks like. It's surprisingly nice, to be honest. A couple of things there and there what needs sorting, but I'll do it another day because I ran out of spray paint. Look at that. Sure. Sorry about that. And that's what it looks like. It's pretty nice. Crap. Are you fucking having a laugh? So, excuse my language. Yeah, got a nice Zunigan sticker recently put on it. Yeah, so all round it looks nice. And I'm happy with it. And I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching. Seeing another vlog. Goodbye.